In this second tutorial on how to use and set up Google Classroom, we're going to look a little bit more at administration of the space and refining it to making it work the way that you want it to work, and also how to manage the students. So let's just have a quick look over here. Obviously we still have nothing in our stream. In a moment I'll switch to another classroom where we have got content and I'll show you what that looks like. But I want to show you over here this topics. If we can add a topic, it allows us to sort content. So we could create, click add, and then we could add another topic here. So and then we could look at so we've put down here a bunch of related humanities, history, humanities topics, so we can actually categorize some of the activities that we're going to send to the stream to different topics, and that allows us, as you can see, we can rename and delete those. It allows us to kind of organize content so the students can search by topics as well, and allows you to allocate content to topics. It's just another way of organizing your Google Classroom, because obviously if you're adding a lot of content over a period of time, these sites can become pretty unwieldy. So let's just nip across and have a look at some of the other things that you need to have a look at. So I'm going to go across to a classroom I've already been using, and this is the stream. And down here you can see the content that I've been creating and sending to the students. And over here you can see how many students have submitted work and how many have not submitted work. And this is one of the things that takes a little while for the students to get used to. And again, in another video I will show you and the students how to submit work. And you can click into any of these options and see who's done what. So, but that's not the focus of what I want to look at the moment. One of the other things that we can do is, if we go into students, once you set up students here, you can see that they are in my classroom. And you can see down here that I've muted them, because pretty quickly students realize they can actually have side conversations in your Google Classroom. And that is a distraction, and they need to be taught how to use the commenting appropriately in a Google Classroom. So all I simply do is I select the whole class and I mute or unmute. In this case, if I wanted them to do some commenting, I would open this section for a 15-minute period, so they are commenting focused on something appropriate, and then I would unmute them. So I'll do that. Unmute. Now all these students now can comment, and for a short period of time I'm then going to come back into here, click on my actions, and I'm going to mute them all again. There we go. And so now we don't have any side conversations going on. Okay, so that's a really good feature to have a look at. So back here in the stream, what we're going to do next is we're actually going to start to add and create content through these buttons over here.